Hello, good morning to all of you. I am Dr. D.D. Sawant from J.A.T Arts, Science and Commerce College from Malegaon District, Nashik. The today's topic that is a meteoroids. Meteoroid is a body of matter traveling at great speed through space, which becomes luminous when it enters the atmosphere. Means the ionosphere at about 200 km, means the 120 miles above the earth's surface, because it is heated by friction. Generally, this latter process dissipates the material into meteoric dust. A meteor is popularly termed as a shooting star or falling star. Most meteors are about the size of the sand grains and weigh less than 1/100 of a gram. Consequently, they vaporize before reaching the Earth's surface. Some called micrometeoroids are so tiny that their rate of fall becomes too slow to allow them to burn up. So they drift down like dust. Each day, more than millions meteoroids enters the atmosphere of the Earth. A few very large meteorites have blasted out craters on the Earth's surface, which resemble to those of the lunar surface. The most famous is the Barringer meteorite crater in Arizona. This crater is about 1.2 km across, 170 meter deep, and has an upturned rim that rises 50 meters, means the 150 feet, above the surrounding countryside. This crater is about 20,000 years old. Meteoroids means here the solid body that managed to reach the Earth's surface from an extraterrestrial source despite the frictional effect of the atmosphere, which consumes the majority of meteoroids. It is composed of various proportions of a nickel iron alloy and silicate minerals. Nearly, for example, 10% nickel, which is present, and 90% of the iron. This is the proportion. And hence, when meteoroids intersect with the Earth's atmosphere at night, they are likely to become visible as meteors. If meteoroids survive the entry through the atmosphere and reach the Earth's surface, they are called as meteoroids. Meteoroids are transformed in structure and chemistry by the heat of entry and force of impacts. A meteor or shooting star is the visible streak of light from a meteoroid or micrometeoroid, heated and glowing from entering the Earth's atmosphere as it sheds glowing material in its wake. Hence, the meteoroids typically occur in the metrosphere at altitude between 76 kilometer to 100 kilometer. It means the 46 to 62 miles. The root word meteor comes from the Greek meteors, meaning suspended in the air. Millions of meteors occur in the Earth's atmosphere daily. The visible light produced by a meteor may take on various hues. Depending on the chemical composition of the meteoroid and the speed of its movement through the atmosphere. As layers of the meteor abrade and ionize, the color of the light emitted may change accordingly to the layering of minerals. Possible color are those means the element producing them, which are included as a orange, yellow, sodium which form, yellow means the iron, copper which forms, and purple, potassium. So such type of red is also which forms the silicate, and purple forms the potassium. So such possible colors which are being producing the elements. Thank you very much.